Good morning students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yesterday we have completed textbook page number 3. Now today we are going to learn page number 4 and 5. So all of you open textbook page number 4. Have you practiced the work yesterday I have given to you? Yes, you have to practice it. Now all of you open the textbook page number 4. First part, look at this picture. All are looking here in this picture. What are they? What are the things given in the pictures? Window, girl, boy, next flowers, water, tree, next fish. What are the things you can find in this picture? Tell me. Boy, girl, see, girl, boy, tree, bird, nest. See here bird's nest, in the 2 eggs are there. Next, coming to down part, here water, flowers, fish. Overall the boy and girl is seen outside of the window, from the window. Now what we have to do, see, look at the words below and look at the picture again. Do you see them in this picture? Circle them if you see them. What are the names given there? If you find in that picture, you have to circle it. A part. Look at this picture. Now, by seeing this picture, we have to circle the words. If these words are from this picture, you have to circle it. First, I am going to write the words. Boy, flower, tree, bird, girl, water, window, fish. Now, first one is boy. See, who is he? Boy. Now, we have to circle that word, boy. Next word, flower. Can you see the flowers in this picture? Yes, here are the flowers, pink color flowers and blue color flowers. Now we can circle the word flower. Next one is tree. Can you find the tree in this picture? See, this is called tree. We have to circle the tree. Next, bird. Can you see the bird in this picture? Yes, the bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. Can you see the bird? The bird is sitting on the branch of the tree. So, we have to circle the word bird. Next one is girl. Can you see the girl in this picture? Yes. See here is the picture of girl. Now we have to circle the word girl. Next one is water. Can you see the water in this picture? Yes. Here is the water. We have to circle the word water. Next one is window. See, here it is the window. Circle the word window. Next one is fish. Can you see the fish in the water? See, we can see the yellow color fish. It is jumping from the water, jumping out from the water. So, we have to circle the word fish. These are the words we have circled by seeing the picture. Here it is mentioned that by seeing this picture, you have to circle the words. These are all are the words from the picture. Boy, girl, flower, water, tree, window, bird, fish. All these are from the picture. Yes or no? Yes. Now, B part. Now, B part. Match the pictures with the naming words. Girl, baby, dog, house. So, I will show the pictures in the textbook. You have to match it. Understood? Match the pictures with the naming words. What are naming words? Naming words are these are the words, names of particular things, items, persons or things, animals. Dog, it is a animal. Girl, she is a person. House, it is a thing. Baby, it comes under a category of person. Understood? What are naming words? Naming words are nothing but it is a particular mentioning of the particular things. Name, animals, house. First one is girl. So, second one baby. Third one dog. Fourth one house. Now, look here. First one girl. Match. Second one baby. Here. Third one dog. Here. Fourth one house. Now, textbook page number 5. Read these sentences. I am Max. I am 5 years old. You are Alka. You are 5 years old. When we use I am, when we have to use I am, when we are talking about ourselves. When we are talking about ourselves. Next, we use you when we are talking about someone else. You are beautiful. For example, you are beautiful. You are going to school. You are playing football. Likewise, we are talking about other person. When we have to use you, మనం యూ ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలి? వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు యూ యూస్ చేయాలి. వై ఓ యూ, యూ, యూ ఆర్ స్టడింగ్ వెల్, you are studying well. Next, suppose you are sleeping very late. You are sleeping very late. When we have to use I am, when we are talking about ourselves, I am ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలి? మన గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు I am యూస్ చేయాలి. I am writing a letter. Next, I am going to school. అండర్స్టూడ్? ఈ యూ ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలి? వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు యూని యూస్ చేయాలి. యు ఆర్ ఈటింగ్, యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్. నెక్స్ట్, ఐ యామ్ మన గురించి వేరే వాళ్ళకు చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఐ యామ్. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నేను ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ అని నీకు చెప్పగలుగుతానా? చెప్పలేను. యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్, యు ఆర్ ఈటింగ్, యు ఆర్ స్లీపింగ్. మీ గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు యూని యూస్ చేయాలి. మన గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకునేటప్పుడు ఐ యామ్. అర్థమైందా? యు ఆర్ స్టడింగ్ వెల్ అంటే నువ్వు బాగా చదువుతున్నావు, నీ గురించి చెప్తున్నావు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ యూ. ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ ఏ లెటర్. ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ ఏ లెటర్ అంటే నేను లెటర్ రాస్తున్నాను, నేను లెటర్ రాస్తున్నాను. ఐ యామ్ మీన్స్ మనం, మై సెల్ఫ్. యూ మీన్స్ నువ్వు. వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు యూ యూస్ చేయాలి. ఐ యామ్ ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలి? వెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఐ యామ్. మన గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు, మన గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఐ యామ్ యూస్ చేయాలి. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దీస్, నౌ we are going to do the C part of textbook page number 5. C part. Fill in the blanks with I or you. Fill in the blanks with I or you. First one, I dash in class 1. I dash in class 1. What we have to write here? I or you? Shall we write you? You am in class you am in class 1. Is it right? Wrong. What we have to write here? Here the sentence is talking about ourselves. It is mentioned about ourselves. So what we have to write? I am in class 1. Second one, dash are also in class 1. Dash are also in class 1. Here I am in class 1. This sentence is telling about ourselves. Now dash, see here, you. When R comes, what we have to use here? You. You are also in class 1. We can't use you here. It is wrong. You are in class 1. It is wrong. So, I am in class 1. This sentence is talking about ourselves. I am in class 1. You are also in class 1. Third one. Dash am your friend. Dash am your friend. You. Is it right? You am your friend. It is wrong. This sentence is talking about ourselves. So, we have to write I am. I am your friend. So, practice this 5 times. We will meet in next video.